awesome.
Good morning all, hope you're doing well on this fantastic Sunday. Today we're headed to a place near Dujiangyan where they had an enduro event not so long back. Actually the enduro event got cancelled because the police showed up and shut down the event. Bastards. But all the trails and tracks they made are still there, so we're going to give it a go. We actually went up last week, but the problem was it had been raining for a few days before, so the tracks were absolutely insane. And I was on my big bike, so I couldn't really do anything. So today we have the dirt bikes and we're going to give it another go. Okay, so off we go. Okay, I adjusted my back brake again, so now it's okay. Although I feel like the position is a bit weird. Feels like it's quite far. Conditions on this trail today are much better. Fucking Martin's on a mission again today, is he? Which way did he go? So yeah, last week this road was ridiculously hard. This week the weather's dry, be much better. This section last week was awful because it was just mud, like slippery, crazy slippery mud. This week's much better, thank God. If you notice, I thank God quite often on these trips. Booyah! I got my arse off just at the right moment. So we have to go back. Could start the proceedings. Just quite a controlled ascent, apart from the last meter. Wasn't really going fast enough, and I had to gun it at the last minute, which is never a good thing. But yeah, feels so much better than last week. But I also took the bike out in the week and done some training, so today feels much better. Feels like I have a lot more control over the bike. Should we do it again? perfect day for riding. No sun, nothing. Clouds, bit of a breeze. Oh yeah. Here we go. First bit of ridiculousness for the day. This is odd. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh, what a motherfucker flew up there. Okay, my turn. Not quite. This hill climb was a bit tough. There's some big boulders like halfway up. I couldn't quite get there. I'm going to try again soon. A bit more speed this time. Standing up. Whoa! Bastard. Today, Philip, is no giving up, okay? Okay, fast up the first bit, chill around the corner, fast up the second bit, chill on the straight, and then we need to get through them fucking rocks. Okay, third time lucky, third time's a charm, whatever that old saying is. Okay, fast up the front. Chill. How again, you fuck? Fucking get in here, come on. Go on, Bobby, go on. Nice, come on. After you, sir. It's quite a steep hill with a lip. Oh!
Fucking awesome.
Come on! Oh! Oh! Let's try this last bit again. Come on. You can do it. I have faith. I don't know in what, I'm not sure, but in something. Oh yeah, yeah. Motherfucker, that'd be a good jump over there. Until you go down the... Oh no. I reached the top of one hill climb.